Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to see how to make this beautiful piece of art at the comfort of your house with minimal to basic efforts, and this is not going to pinch your pockets. So without any further ado, let's get straight into the video and I'll see you after the video. Stay tuned, we'll talk later. Bye. So here I am using an MDF board for this art. Let's start with outlining the basic sketch for artwork. You can trace it if you cannot hand draw it like me. If you want to purchase any of these products that I am using in this video, there is another video on the same channel in which I am doing a product haul of all these items that I am using in this video. So I am gonna give a link of the products in the description of the video in the description. You can go and check the video out and order all these products that you desire. Once that is done, let's add a layer of white gesso over the MDF board. We'll cover it very lightly. Here I am painting the whole board with gesso. Try to cover it as lightly as you can so that it's easy for you to find the design below. If not, you can trace it over all over again. So let's start molding the clay and get desired shapes. Here I am using a Shedu Mati, but it is difficult to use and work with. You can use a molded clay by the Fevicryl, brand Fevicryl, which is much easy for a beginner level. Now let's start sticking the clay to the board. I am using Fevicol here. So try keeping the clay moist as it hardens within just a few moments, and also if it hardens you can mix it soft by using water and kneading it again. Here I am talking about the Shedu Mati. So it's a little messy but totally worth it. Now we are going to start, after the stems have been created, we'll start making the lotuses. We are going to very lightly knead the clay and shape it into shapes so that we have even surfaces for all the artwork that we have created over here, and it does not look very messy. So once all these layers are created, I'm placing it one by one so that the clay does not harden before I'm placing it on the board. So once that is done, I'm going to start sticking the clay to the board. So this is how it is going to look. So we are similarly going to create the rest of the clay work. Make sure that the border is a bit thicker than the inside artwork. So once this is done, we are going to start creating the flowers now, the side flowers. This is how we are going to start creating small flowers. Just make sure you make lighter petals, 4 to 5 as you desire, and we are going to place it on the place. So I'm using the same Fevicol over here. You can use any other glue that you have at home. This is how the flowers are going to be looking once everything is done. Now let's add another layer of gesso to it for sturdiness. Following this, we are going to add a white base because the artwork has a white base. If not, there's no need to use a white base again. So the gesso is done. Now we are going to start painting it white for better coverage, because the base of the artwork is white. If the base of the artwork is not white, please do not use any white color because the gesso is already white in color. Once the white coloring is done, we will start painting the different layers of the different colors into the artwork. So I am using red color for lotuses and green color for its stem. I am making sure I am coloring the lotuses in between the edges as well as the outside layers or the lining of the clay work as well. We are going to later cover the clay lining with black color. Now I am painting the stems in green color. Try to make it less messy around because the paint can just spill around. So very careful with this because the base is white. I am using blue color for the center portion. You can use any colors, or you can even keep it plain white. Even that will look really good, but I wanted my artwork to be colorful as the wall is also white and it's gonna pop out a bit. So once this is done, we're going to start coloring the small flowers that we made. I am making the centers green and the petals yellow. And you can use acrylic colors if you have. I did not have any acrylic colors at home, so I used the poster colors. Anyways, we're gonna seal the artwork later with sealant. This is how it should look. Now we are going to start using doing the borders with black. Very careful with this part, because if there's spilling around, the artwork is going to be very messy, and you'll have to wait till it dries to paint another layer of white over the basic artwork. Use a smaller brush for this. Once that is done, because I did not have another smaller brush, I used a sketch pen to outline the petals. You can use paint directly. Now we are going to decorate the artwork with mirrors or gems that way you have at home. Placement of this is not very technical. You can place it wherever you want. Anyways, it's going to look pretty. I'm making a small flower in the center with mirrors. Okay, so lastly we'll add a layer of sealant to seal the Lippan art, and yeah, that's it. This is how the final product should look, and I hope you like it. Hey guys, so how did you like the video? कैसे लगी आपको मेरी ये कलाकृति? अगर आपको ये पसंद आई तो प्लीज़ मेक श्योर यू लाइक द वीडियो, शेयर विद योर फ्रेंड्स एंड डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब, क्योंकि सब्सक्राइबर्स जब तक नहीं बढ़ेंगे तो मुझे पैसा नहीं देगा यूट्यूब, एंड ऑल्सो मुझे मोटिवेशन नहीं मिलेगा. तो प्लीज़ मेक श्योर यू लाइक द वीडियो एंड शेयर विद योर फ्रेंड्स, एंड इफ यू लाइक दिस आई एम श्योर यू लाइक दिस एज वेल. हैव यू नॉट सीन इट? Oops. This is what I created with cardboard. Look how pretty it looks. So for this, I'm gonna give the link of this video in the description. Please make sure you like it and do not forget to again share and subscribe to my channel. कितनी बार बोलूँगी मैं? बोल के थक गई, अब करती क्यों नहीं हो यार? Subscribe, please subscribe. Okay, so I'll see you in the next one. Till then, I'll take you also. Okay, don't feel bad. Okay, so I'll see you in the next one. Till then, stay healthy, stay happy, stay blessed, and keep loving each other. Bye bye.